Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with another video, but this time I'm gonna do a tutorial on how you use Pump.Fun. It's easy to use, you just have to follow the steps I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna make it as easy as it is. So because there is a lot of people they don't know how to use it, on how to buy and sell on this website. So the first thing you can see, there is a lot of lightning here and animation. So if you don't like this, you just have to go on this and click on off for the animation, and off here too. So first thing you see here, the first thing you have to do is to connect your wallet right here. You have to have a Sol wallet to connect Phantom or whatever you're using, and then you can search here by last replay, replay count, market cap, and creation time. Creation time, this is gonna give you this one is the newest token on this website. You can see here the market cap is very low. You can see here 5,000, 4,000, 5,000, 4,000. So almost of them, when they start with 4,000 and 5,000, and then it will go up. So first thing you have to do, you choose whatever token you see it's good to participate in, but I'm gonna show you the trick how you can see if this token is legit or not. This is my opinion, guys. I'm not giving any financial advice. My videos is for education and entertainment only. So I'm just showing you how you can use it. So you click on any token you like. The first thing you have to do, you have to see if there is here a lot of threads, like people posting about this token, and if there is a lot of trades here like this one, you can see here there is a lot of trades, people are selling and buying. And the second thing you have to look for it, you can see here the wallet, it says dev. This is the guy who creates this token, so make sure he has a low liquidity. So like this one, he has only 1.62%, which is good. Some of them they have like 10%. Look at this guy, he just dumped on them. You can see here, this is that. Oh, no, he's still here, I made a mistake. I thought he dumped already, but he's still here. He has 1.62%. So like I said, if he has more than maybe 7, 8, 10%, that's risky. I like to participate in project that the dev has 3%, maybe 4%. So it depends of you, wherever you feel comfortable with. So first thing, you have to see if there is any threads here that people are talking about this, they're posting and everything. And there is trades here, sell and buy. And see here the dev, how many percentage he has. If he has a lot of percentage, just keep moving. If you can't find a dev wallet here, keep moving again, because he sold his wallet and he's gone. So nobody is controlling this chart. Some people they do CTO, maybe not. So when people start buying, you will see this percentage goes up. When it goes up to 100%, and this one, the king of the hill progress, go to 100%. What does mean, the king of the hill? When this token market cap, you can see here, is only 4,600 market cap. So when it reached between, I think, 62,000 and 72,000, it reached the 100%. And you will see here zero. You can see here there is 776 billion or million tokens that's available to buy. When you see here 0%, that's mean it reached 100%. When it reached 100%, it's gonna go to radium. So you have the chance to buy it here before it go radium, and then it pump more. Some people, they just keep buying low and selling high before it reach the king of the hill market cap. So like I said, guys, first thing to do, look at if there is too many posts here. Look at if there is more trades here. Look at if the dev has, you can see here, the dev sold. That's what I'm talking about. He sold everything. You see he's 0%. When you see the dev 0%, so don't even bother yourself looking at this project. So let's go to another project like you see here. Click on this one. So when it reaches a certain percentage, they show it on there on the king of the hill. Like you see here, this one reached 87%, and it still have 108 million tokens to go, still available to buy. So when it sees 0 here, that's when it's gonna go on radium. So this one, you see here, the dev has 2.78%, which is good. Okay, I think that's everything you would like to know about this tutorial. Is easy, guys. So, oh, I forgot to show you how you can buy and sell the token. So if you like this one, let's say, and first, guys, for those new guys who never use this site, don't use a lot of money to test it out. Use a 0.02, 0.03 just to test it out before you can buy and sell on this website. Some using the bot, which is I like, because this website, by the time you buy or sell, it takes a lot of time. So by the time you want to buy on, like, let's say on 26,000 market cap, by the time you buy, the slippage, you may buy it at 30%, at 30,000 market cap. So that's why I like to use the bot. It's faster. I can buy and sell there very fast. And I'm gonna show you how you can use the bot. The only thing you have to do, you have to copy the URL and you go to your bot. Where is mine? Right here, Telegram. Okay, and you put the URL here, and it's gonna give you all the information about the token. This is the token contract. So what you have to do, you have just to refresh to see here, because you see here the price, and every time you refresh, you will see the price is changing. So you choose your price you would like to buy, and you click how much you want to buy. If you like to see a live chart, you can copy this code, this contract, and go to Phantom. So here you put the contract, and you will see here, this is a live contract. You can see how it's trading right here. So when it reach 100% on here, and you go back here, you will see here, instead of buying on this, you can buy on this website too. You will see here Pump.Fun migrate. Token is migrating from Pump.Fun to Radium. I like to use these tools to buy tokens. So I show you everything you would like to know. If you would like to buy on this website, you just have to put the amount here, 0.02, and click on place trade. If you like to sell, click on sell. Choose how many you want to sell, 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%, and click on place trade. It's easy, it's not hard. So like I said, guys, if you would like to participate and buy tokens here, use a small amount of money just to test it out, because a lot of YouTubers out there, It says, oh, I put a one solana and I got 30 solana. I put two solana and I got 40 solana. Yeah, some of you may do it, but a lot of people, because this is just gambling, you don't know nothing about the token. You just gambling. You put your money. If it goes up, you win, and if it goes down, you lose. It happened to me many times when I participate in a token and it seems good token, and then boom, the money is gone. So do your own research, guys, before participating in any token. Thank you guys for watching. Don't hesitate to like and subscribe. Thank you guys, and see you on the next video.